chirp sparrow in the tree, singing happy just for me. Caw, caw, crow on the wall, calling friends both big and small. Cuckoo pigeon, soft and slow, flies around then comes and goes. Squawk, squawk, parrot, bright and green, talks the most you've ever seen. Cuckoo call on a sunny day, sings so sweet in a lovely way. Tap, tap, woodpecker on the tree, knocking loud, tap 1, 2, 3. Quack, quack, duck in the rain, splashing in the water again. Honk, honk, swan in the lake, glide so gently, no mistake. Flap your wings and fly up high. Cow, cow, Mina talks all day, hopping, chirping on her way. Scream, scream, peacock, loud and proud, dancing in the rainy cloud. All the birds sing loud and clear, we love their sound.